morning all. Well, kind of late morning. I had to wait till 9 o'clock for the tide to come up enough I can get the boat out. Well, we are over on the coast on our annual fishing trip. And today I thought it's nice and calm today. The first week it was so rough. But today, nice and calm. So I thought, well, for my 3 subscribers that like my fishing videos, I thought I'd do a fishing video. Today, the plan is we're going to go out, and first thing we're going to do is do a little bit of halibut fishing. Now, I'm not sure how the drift is. The ocean's calm enough, but it all depends on the current and all that. But we do have one problem. I'm looking at the gauge, and the water temperature is 60 degrees, which is way warm for here. The warm water has come in the last week. Normally the water here is anywhere from 50 to 52, 53 degrees. So I'm not sure how these fish are going to bite in 60 degree weather. But let's find out. Okay, well, we're in 280 feet of water. Little to no wind. Now we're going to start out with a 10-ounce weight, and I got a strip of old salmon belly, and this stuff's getting old because we haven't been able to catch salmon for 2 years. But I thought we'll just put it down there, see how our drag is. I don't know if this is going to be enough weight, but we'll just see how bad the drift is, if we have any at all. 10-ounce weight, that's going to take a while to get to the bottom. Okay, well, I'll fish for a little bit, and if anything happens, I'll turn the camera back on. Now we're about, I don't know, half hour before high tide. So fishing for the bottom fish, I've always found that fishing on the high tide seems to be a lot better. And for the bottom fish, I think fishing on the low tide is better for the lingcod and those fish. But we'll find out. Hooked something. Not sure what it is, but it feels respectable. And what you're hearing on the radio is there's boats about 20 miles out catching tuna. Normally, I would be out there, but 3 days ago I went out and I caught 14 tuna, so I'm full up on tuna. I'm not sure what this is. Hopefully it's a nice flounder. Nope. We got us a lingcod. Nice little lingcod. We'll send this one back. We'll catch him next year when he's grown up. Okay, I'm gonna bait up, head back down. Okay, we got us another strip of belly meat. Now I'm fishing with 2 hooks. They're both circle hooks. Put it on one hook, then on the bottom hook, we hook it right at the end of the strip. So it looks like that. Okay, going back down. Now our drift has really picked up. I'm having a hard time keeping this on the bottom. Well, it's been half hour, 45 minutes, not a single bite. So my guess is the flatfish don't like this warm water, because I'm not even getting sand dab bites. So I think at this point I'm going to drag this for a little bit. I'm going to re-rig and I think we'll head into the rocks where the drift won't be so bad. A lot shallower water, and let's go see what we can find there. Okay, well I got all that in. We're going to change setups, mainly because I need dinner. And I would like to have an olive for dinner, so we're going to put a diving plane on, and we're going to use my favorite lure. Now, you look at this lure here, it used to look like this. This thing has caught a lot of fish. So we're going to go into shallows, about 90 feet of water, drag this around a little bit, see what we can come up with. We're going to let this thing down to like 70 feet, and we're going to try to stay in 90 feet of water. Okay, well we are all set. We're trolling, so I'm going to take a break. Well, we just had a fish hit. Not sure what it is, but not very big either. And we got a blue. Not what we're after. So we will unhook him. And going back in. One more time. Okay. Back out. All set up. Depth is 95 feet. We're 70 feet. It's all go. Well, we've been trolling a good 45 minutes, maybe an hour. And we had that first fish, and then I had another one. It was about the same size, but luckily he just got off. And after that, it's been a good half hour. Nothing, and I'm not seeing anything on the fish finder. I'm not seeing any bait or anything. So we're going to try tactic number 3. We're going to troll on up here another, I don't know, half mile or so. And then there's a reef, kind of a crescent-shaped reef that's around 30 feet or so, but the water in the bottom of the runs around 75 feet deep, and that seems to always have a fair amount of olives in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up there, and it's really hard to troll that, so we're going to stop and we're going to jig for them. We're going to use the same lure we're using now. We may go up one size so we have a little more weight because of so much drift, but right now, unless something changes, that's our plan. Okay, well, finally made it up. Never even got another nibble. So we're going to try jigging. So let's get set up. Give that a go. I just went over a nice school of fish, so that's where we're going to start. Okay, now since we got such a drift, we're going to go with the larger lure. And basically, all we do is drop her down and jig it up and down. And we are over that school right now, so we're going down. Got a bunch of seals making noise. Okay, we got something. Looks like it's another canary. Yep. Okay, let's try it again. got another one. Not sure what it is. Hopefully it's not another canary. Whatever it is, it's not real big. Now that's one tiny lingcod. Get him unhooked without hurting him. The drift is getting really bad. I just got another one. Not sure what this one is. Got a blue. Well, I'm here to tell you, in the last half hour, it went from nice, warm, and sunny to cold and foggy. I had to put my sweatshirt back on. Well, since the conditions have changed a little bit, I'm thinking we're gonna head over to some rocks that I've always done pretty good catching lingcod on. Let's run over there for a little bit. We got a little bit longer we can fish. Let's run over there and see if we can pick up a lingcod for dinner. So what I've done is I've gone into a spot, it's a little cove. The water's 120 feet deep and it's got a sandy bottom. Switched over to a light rig. We're going to see if we can catch us a sand dab for bait. They're really good bait for the lingcod. So let's give her a go. Okay, well I got bites right off the bat, and hopefully I got at least one on here because I got something. We have us our bait. I'm going to throw this guy in a bucket of water, keep him alive. And we're going to run over to the rocks, see if we can get dinner. Okay, we got her all rigged with our live sand dab. Let's go see if we can get dinner. Now the trick here is to keep our bait as close to the bottom as we can without getting snagged on the bottom. And we still got a pretty good drift. Okay, well, feels like I got a nice fish on. I'm gonna say should be a lingcod. Yep, we got a lingcod. And we got us dinner. Okay, we got him stowed away. It's late. Let's head in.